Hey everyone! Today I'm creating a sweet heart-shaped arrangement for Valentine's Day. I don't think of Valentine's Day as a romantic holiday. I've always just liked it for the pop of color in my home during the gray winter days. And I'm a hearts and flowers kind of girl, so I like the heart-shaped decorations. I made these Valentine monsters 6 years ago when my daughter was smaller. Included in this arrangement is white commercial mum, red spray roses, red and white mini carnations, Italian Ruscus, leather leaf. I chose to use a plain white plant pot for its textured yet minimal design. As I'm placing the leather leaf, I'm cutting it up into smaller pieces. I'm going to put 2 pieces of Italian Ruscus in on each side and add an angle. I'm going to secure the 2 pieces together, and in a moment I'll show you what else needs to be done to hold the shape. I'm just wrapping some very thin, fine wire around the 2 pieces. I'm wrapping the floral pick in floral tape to keep it from getting yucky in the wet floral foam. Now I'm going to use the floral pick to hold the heart shape by wrapping its wire to the Ruscus and placing the pick into the floral foam. This ensures the arrangement keeps its heart shape. Now I'll cover the pick and wire with some of the leather leaf. I had an extra piece of the Italian Ruscus and I'm just going to put it onto the side. I'm going to place 2 of the commercial mums first. I want them to look like they're going up the side of the heart. Then I'll start placing the roses and carnations. I'm going to take one bunch of the spray roses and place them so they look like they're climbing up the other side of the heart. As I went along, I was cutting roses and carnations off the main stem. This gives me more control on how they are placed. Even if I cluster the same flower together, I can control how close they are together or if one sits higher than the others. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I was happy with the front of the arrangement and I wanted to decorate the back too. I was getting low on the carnations and roses, so I used 3 commercial mums. I really love these mums, so I was happy to have them to decorate the back. I decided to switch the placement of these 2 mums. One is larger and one is smaller, and so I put the smaller one in the front. I hope this arrangement inspires you to make your own version. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.